And finally, I've developed a residency that's not yet available with CAPS, but that I'm prepared to do nonetheless. It was such a big success. I had a group of second and third graders from E.K. Poe Elementary School in a book author club that we had in school every week, and we worked on creative things to include in our very own published book. I thought it'd be hard to do with second and third graders, but actually once I got them on the same theme, very broad theme, which was just that whatever you write, it has to have E.K. Poe as the setting, and it has to have something to do with E.K. Poe. So we really ended up with a kind of amateur sideways stories from Wayside School, but it turned out really well. I edited the book so that I took different things from different students in order to make it a more cohesive whole, and I self-published it on Kindle and got copies of the book for about $5 per student because I could get author copies, and those were wholesale only $5. So each student could get a copy of their own book. It was quite affordable. And their friends and family can buy their book, even right now as I speak, on Amazon for slightly more money. It's actually for $10, but the PTA gets $2 from that. So these kids are actually creating something, and they're doing something good for their school and being a big part of their communities. You can see that contributions ranged drastically from one student to the other. But ultimately, because of our combining theme, we were able to bring it all together and make a lovely book. And at the back, we put some pictures from the school so that people can remember what their elementary school looked like when they were students there. And so far, it's been very well received. We've raised $40 for the PTA from other people who have bought the book, and several people bought the book just for a student who might otherwise not get one, and I made sure that they received it. I would love to do this kind of residency at a school or even an elder care facility and help a group of people create their own book and get the satisfaction of seeing it in print, being able to show their friends and loved ones what they were a part of, and maybe even raising money for a worthwhile organization.